Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am doing a bridal show. This is my very first bridal show, and I just wanted to let you see my before, my after, and a ton of pictures. I am so excited. Melody Turner here on YouTube showed a setup that she did for a bridal show, and then she offered a class, and I took that class and I was able to get a lot of pointers from her. So I just want to give her a shout out. So that's what inspired me to do this bridal show. So I'm just so grateful to be a part of this. So here we go.